Alright, so here we are, kind of near the Fieldbrook exit, just outside of McKinleyville as you're heading east on the 299, right next to Murphy's Market here on Glendale Drive. It is May, the first weekend of May, and if you surf the waves of LostCoastOutpost.com, you probably have already read about the closure of E&O lanes, which opened in 1960 by a pair of brothers actually, Lee and Lester Larson. They could have easily called it the 3Ls lanes. But current owners Carla and Andre Kendrick put the place up after it was shuttered for the final time due to the pandemic. Another local business lost to the pandemic. We've lost so many over the last year. Many were kind of struggling to begin with, but this was sort of the final straw for a lot of these places. So I think it when it opened as D&L lanes, I think that was in early 60s, 1960 I think is the year I saw. I never actually had a chance to go in and check the place out, but there was also a bar section too that I heard was pretty cool. So if any of you had any cool experiences here, do share with us. I think what I'm going to do, because I'm unable to actually see inside, is to try to find some photos online of the lanes, of the interior, throw it in with the video so you guys can see what it looks like. But fingers crossed somebody will come along for, I think it's 1.6 million is what they're asking for. It's on the market, so maybe somebody will come along and keep it the way it is, just touch it up and make it a bowling alley again. But I don't know, in this economy it just doesn't seem realistic, so chances are it'll sit here for a long time until something else happens. And of course, many of us are curious whether or not a cannabis industry or cannabis business will come along and buy it, but it's hard to say. I bet this looked pretty cool at night. Now, I think there's a couple other bowling alleys. There's one in Blue Lake. I'm not even sure if that one's still open. And of course, the one Harbor Lanes on Broadway in Eureka. That one's kind of like, I think it's still open. It just closes and reopens from time to time based on restrictions and whatnot. But they got plastic in the windows. Unfortunately, I'm able to see through. Yeah, bowling alleys are kind of a thing of the past if you think about. Not a whole lot of them left. They kind of go hand to hand with like classic theaters, drive-ins, things of that era. There's your realty information there. It's only 1.6 million. Come on, guys. Let's get together and rescue it. We'll start a rescue fund. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. There's just a tarp in the window here, but there's a little bit of the bar sign view here, digital. All right. Sorry, wasn't able to go in and get some interior footage of this place. That would have been perfect. But I wanted to get the building, even if it's just the exterior, on video before whatever happens. While it's still fresh. Thanks for watching, everyone. Talk to you later.